Mini is a great car, but one thing it lacks is a bit more engine noise. So what we're going to do is upgrade this particular car with some nice RamAir upgraded cold air intakes. So that's going to make it sound crisp, and I'm hoping it's going to give it a bit more roar. Sam's going to get this one installed, and again, like the other videos, you're going to find out a little bit more about the brand and the products at the end of the video. Wait until then.
Okay guys, so a bit of a deep dive into RamAir today. We've got this intake kit to go on our development Mini JCW. These guys, RamAir, have been in the industry for a long time now. From what I can work out, it's in the order of about 15 years. But as the name suggests, they are all things air intake. So everything from standard replacement panel air filters right through to this sort of pro Ram, as it says there, professional level, competition level intake kit with the pleated filter, as you can see there, and hard intake pipe sets and so on and so forth. We really like working with these guys. We've had a few of their kits on board now already, which is why we've decided to go for this one on our Mini. We're hoping it's going to sound really nice. These pleated filters are, as you can see, quite large. They also feature this velocity stack design. So that again is to aid the speed of air entry into the intake port. This here works with our car, so it's got the MAF sensor BOSS. So everything's taken care of with regards to converting from your original equipment. Lifetime warranty on this product for the original user. Made in the UK, which is obviously important to us, much like ourselves, and again also looks really nice. You've got your crackle finish sort of powder coated heat shield there, finishing trims to make sure it's all neat and tidy, seals up against the bonnet or various apertures in the car to keep for a nice cold intake area.